Hi, in this video I am going to show how to operate an existing deal in Bulbul CRM. Suppose I am taking this deal. So here we see there is few options like if I want to leave a note here, then I just do like this. Suppose I want to make some activity, or I want to schedule some activity, then I just add like this. Or we may also send email like this, or we may add file or generate document like this. And all the activities or tasks we performed are shown here. Like suppose I want to see only the activities which are scheduled, then I just click on activity and only the activities are shown in front. Suppose I want to see notes, mails, SMS, call, file, timeline, usage, and if I want to see all, then just click on all. And here we have about, order, follower, contact and organization, which we are able to edit. And the about all of these I already covered in previous videos. Now there are some stages. Suppose I want to move from stage P1 to P2, then I just need to do is I just click on P2 and now I am on P2 stage. If I won the deal, then I just click on won, or if I lost, then I just click on lost. Or we may delete also. After deletion, maybe after some time we need to reopen it, then we just click on reopen, and now the deal is again opened. That's all about it. Thank you.